Video's topic is Sibson's fascia. We'll see introduction, parts and surfaces, attachments, relations and functions. Suprapleural membrane or Sibson's fascia is also known as diaphragm of superior thoracic aperture. It closes a part of thoracic inlet on either side. It's a dense fascial sheet. It is tent shaped, represents degenerated tendon of scalenus minimus muscle. Parts are apex and base, surfaces superior and inferior. Attachments. Apex attached to tip of transverse process of C7 vertebra. Base is attached to inner border of first rib and its costal cartilage. Relations. Superior surface related to subclavian vessels. Inferior surface related to cervical pleura. Functions. Protects cervical pleura and underlying apex of lung. Resists intrathoracic pressure during respiration.